Let's start. Let's start. Hello and welcome to Abashed Pursue. And today I'm going to talk about the movie that's out there in the theaters. That is Deadpool and Wolverine. Well, they had सबसे पहली बात went to the movie. Second show. और उन्होंने इस बार जो 3D glasses जो दिए थे, एक स्पेशल पैकेज था. प्लस द 3D glasses are very light on the eyes, you know, वो ब्लैक वाले बड़े बड़े glasses थे, light on the eyes. अच्छा लगा, very cool glasses. I'll put a photo इधर या इधर. I'll somewhere put the photo as well. How was the movie, right? We are all very excited. Logan is coming back as, you know, Hugh Jackman is coming back as Wolverine, and I think अब वो longest running character हो जाएंगे of someone who has played a comic book character, an actor who has played a comic book actor. Again, amazing film, lot of jokes, lot of meta references, lot of action, lot of blood, lot of F-bombs, and every F-bomb is deliciously placed. बहुत ही generously F-bombs are thrown, and what you expect from a Deadpool movie is what you are going to get from this movie. There are many cameos. I don't want to spoil the movie for anyone. बहुत सारे cameos हैं. But apart from fun and games, what this movie gets right is the emotional core. We all want to matter. We all want to be of some significance in someone's life. और अगर आप वो achieve कर पाते हो, तो that's nothing like it, and that is the emotional core. And the emotional core hits you right in the feels. Hits you very, very nicely. I think this movie has been made a lot of hard work has gone into putting things together. Because there are high chances ना, इसमें बहुत chances हैं कि you can go overboard. You can do something too much, and you can take something, or you can do something too little. और दोनों में you will be like यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया या इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. But Deadpool का केस में ना, the more the better, and that is what they have done. I think a very nice film. You will have a great experience, but you will have a greater experience if you have a friend who understands the jokes, who understands, because movie hall mein we are sitting and there are few jokes, few punchlines. They are very, very good, some very, very intellectual, and only few of us were laughing. I could just see, I was laughing, and then I could hear someone udhar se laugh and someone from my left laugh. But बाकी लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वो क्यों funny है वो बात. तो अगर आपके साथ कोई दोस्त हो तो आपको समझा सके कि हाँ भैया ये इसने ये बोला ना क्योंकि ये कैरेक्टर ये प्ले किया था इसलिए ये लाइन बोला. मेटा रेफरेंसेस फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, everything is proper meta, and I think this movie does full justice to getting Deadpool and Wolverine together in a band, in a group, and as a team. I think they have done that really, really well. My only complaint, and that complaint will be because fans चाहते हैं कि after Endgame जो Marvel का स्थिति रहा है, that is steady declining. Fans चाहते हैं Deadpool to come in as that savior, come in as that Messiah. He calls himself Messiah Jesus, MJ, in the movie. So that is great, but he actually has to do that. उसके लिए this movie can be a very good standalone film. बशर्ते आपने सारी Marvel की फिल्म देखी हैं तो आपको यहाँ पे मजा आएगा. But what this movie fails to do is set the future up. Now you can have this thing कि हाँ अब शायद Deadpool और Logan रहेंगे या नहीं रहेंगे. That thing might be told untold कि हाँ भैया अब ये लोग रहेंगे तो शायद चीजें और better होंगी. But this movie could have been a part of that MCU piece wherein you add that new villain, or you add that. What do you want? Do you want to do new Kang? You want to do Doctor Doom as Cillian Murphy? You want to do all of that? Fine, set that up from this movie. That is the only place that they miss. That was my take on the movie. Go with your friends, go with your die-hard Marvel fans. They will have a gala time. And yeah, Deadpool and Wolverine is rated R, and we are so effing back, right? I hope I could get those adamantium claws, right? So okay, the thumbnail says "Paisa vasool ya bloody fool." If you are a bloody fool, you will miss out on Deadpool. Yeah, lame shairi, but don't blame me for this lame shairi. Chalo, bye bye. That was my take. Let me know what you think about the movie in the comment section. Take care and have an amazing weekend. Bye bye.